Every part of this bathroom was chosen with intention, including the one part most people never think about. Frameless shower hinges have looked the same and worked the same for decades. Until now. Better body, stronger hold, safer close. Our patented hydraulic hinges are crafted from solid brass, with a square or radius profile in a finish that complements the fixtures. It starts with the gasket, bonded at the factory, recessed into the body. No loose gasket to squeeze out, no field-fit guesswork, just a cleaner line and superior gripping. Open it past 70 degrees and it holds unassisted. With a gentle push, it finds its way home. At 65 degrees, it self-centers. At 30, the hydraulic soft close engages, and the door closes itself softly, precisely, every time. No slam, no drift. And here's the part installers will appreciate. The same standard cutout, the same installation method. All the engineering lives on the inside, so nothing changes on the job site. Better, stronger, safer. Our patented hydraulic hinges, engineered for new construction, shower revitalization, and for anyone wanting to specify hardware built to perform for the next 20 years.